In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Dropbox on your computer. Whether you're wrapping up work on a shared computer or simply need a bit of a digital detox, logging out is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So, let's dive in. First things first, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your taskbar resides. Here, you'll find a range of icons, one of which is the Dropbox icon. It typically looks like an open box. Give it a click. This action will open a small Dropbox window, providing you with various options. Once this window is open, shift your gaze to the top right corner of the small window. You'll notice your profile picture, or, if you haven't uploaded one, your initials will be displayed there. This acts as a button too, so go ahead and click on it. Doing this brings up a drop-down menu, which contains several options related to your Dropbox settings and account management. Now, from this drop-down, you need to select Preferences. It's probably located somewhere in the list. Don't worry if you have to skim a couple of times to find it. Preferences is key here because it leads us to where we can sign out of Dropbox. With Preferences open, you're presented with a few tabs. Look for the Account tab in this section. Clicking on the Account tab will take you directly where you need to be. It provides you with details about your current Dropbox account status, and this is exactly what you're looking for if your goal is to log out. Once you are in the Account tab, you'll see an option labeled Sign Out. This button is your gateway to logging off your Dropbox account on this particular machine. Clicking Sign Out will initiate the process. After clicking the Sign Out button, you'll likely encounter a confirmation prompt. This is just a safeguard to ensure you really intend to log out, preventing any accidental disconnections that might disrupt your workflow. Go ahead and confirm that you want to proceed. This confirmation will effectively log you out from your Dropbox account on the current computer. And there you have it. You're now officially logged out. Remember, logging out is particularly useful if you're on a shared computer or maybe just taking a break from the digital hustle. If you ever need to log back in, just have your credentials ready and repeat the login process. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.